Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening File Explorer with Win+E so you can act immediately. This brings quick access into view on the left. Once visible, identify a frequently used folder, right-click it, and choose Pin to quick access to lock it in place. If you prefer keyboard navigation, select the folder and press Alt+Enter to confirm its properties before pinning. Make sure to pin only the folders you use daily so quick access stays uncluttered and fast to navigate. Once you have items pinned, you need to manage them so quick access remains useful. Drag any pinned folder up or down to set priority, which controls what you see first. If a folder becomes irrelevant, right-click it and choose Unpin from Quick Access to remove it instantly. To reset the recent list, open File Explorer's View menu, select Options, and click Clear. This helps when quick access shows outdated or noisy entries. Make sure to reorder and clear regularly to maintain speed. You finish by customizing quick access behavior in File Explorer options under the General tab, where you can enable or disable recent files and folders to match your workflow. If quick access misbehaves, unpin problematic items, restart the Explorer process in Task Manager, then repin the folders. This rebuild often fixes display glitches. If search is faster, use Win+E and type to find files directly. Make sure to test after changes so your quick access reflects the folders you actually use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.